In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make business card in Canva app 2025, step by step. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. Go to canva.com and sign into your account so your work saves as you go. On the homepage, use the search bar and type business cards. This pulls up ready-made layouts that already match standard sizes, so you don't have to worry about dimensions. Make sure you're browsing the templates section. Scroll through and look for a design that feels close to your brand style, something that reflects your industry, tone, and colors. If you see a little crown icon on a design, that means it's a paid option. Choose a template without a crown to keep everything free. When you found one you like, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Begin by replacing the placeholder text with your own name. Keep it prominent and easy to read. Next, update your professional title or position, keeping it short and clear so it complements the name without competing with it. If the template includes a logo, you can replace it with yours. Click the Uploads tab in the sidebar, then click Upload Files, select your logo from your device, and wait for it to finish uploading. Drag and drop the logo onto the existing placeholder to swap it in. If it doesn't auto-replace, delete the old one and position yours neatly. Aim for a high-resolution logo so it looks crisp. Update the company or business name, then fill in the essential contact details like email, phone, location, and website. Keep the wording consistent and professional, and double-check spelling and spacing. Use only the contact information you want to share publicly. Most templates include a backside. Switch to the back and update the logo there as well. Then make sure the business name and styling match the front for a cohesive look. To adjust colors, click the card's background, then click the color tile in the toolbar. Scroll the palette and select a color that aligns with your brand. Keep contrast high so text remains readable, especially for small details. For typography, click any text, open the font menu, scroll, and select a font that suits your brand personality. Sticking to one or two fonts helps everything feel polished. Maintain clear hierarchy by keeping the name more prominent than secondary details. That's the full workflow. Search, pick a free template, customize the front and back, refine colors, and choose fonts. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, professional business card ready to represent your brand.